Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinkos channel. In today's video I will show you how to resolve the 100% disk usage issue in Windows 11. And now let's get started. One effective method to address high disk usage is by utilizing the disk cleanup tool. Begin by searching for disk cleanup in your Windows search bar and then open the application. Once it appears, click on OK to initiate the scan. After the scan completes, you will see a list of files that can be deleted. Ensure all the boxes are checked for these items, and then click on OK, followed by selecting Delete Files to remove them. Another crucial step is to ensure your Windows operating system is up to date. To do this, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu that appears. In the Settings window, navigate to the Windows Update tab. On the right side of the pane, you will find an option to check for updates. Click on this to see if any updates are available and install them if there are. Additionally, consider decluttering your Downloads folder. Often, files stored here can consume significant disk space. Go to your Downloads folder and delete any files that are no longer needed or are redundant. This can free up valuable space and potentially alleviate disk usage problems. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.